In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a full width slider in Wix. So whether you're a small business owner looking to spruce up your website or just someone who enjoys tinkering with web design, this simple walkthrough will have you styling your site with ease. Let's begin by opening up your Wix editor. If you're already familiar with the layout, you'll know that the main toolbar is conveniently located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your primary tool for adding and customizing elements on your website. Start by clicking on Add Elements at the very top of this toolbar. This is where all the fun design options live. Now, once you do this, you'll want to scroll down until you find the Gallery option. Inside this, there's another menu called Slideshow Galleries. Click on that and you'll be greeted with an array of slideshow styles. Each one is thoughtfully designed and offers a unique flair, so you might want to spend a moment picking the one that resonates with your site's aesthetic. For this demonstration, I'll just select a design that fits our needs and drag it directly onto the page. At this point, you may notice that your gallery isn't quite yet full width. The margins on the left and right sides are giving it away. We need to fix that to achieve the expansive look we're going for. Click on the slider to select it. You'll see a small toolbar pop up right above the element. Look for the stretch button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to stretch to full width. Make sure to check this box. Now look at that. Your slider spans the entire screen, just the effect we were aiming for. To see it in action, click on the preview button. This will give you a sneak peek of your slideshow, now in all its full width glory. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, right? You've just learned how to add a full width slider to your Wix website. This not only elevates the visual appeal, but can also enhance the user experience on your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your feedback is important, so feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments section. Also, consider subscribing for more helpful Wix tips and tricks. Designing can be daunting, but with simple guidance like this, you'll find yourself mastering it in no time. Thanks for watching and happy editing.